guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Justine. Today we're back in my kitchen and we're gonna be cooking up some keto dinner for us today. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends. And today, what are we cooking? I'm gonna be making mozzarella stuffed meatballs, and we're gonna be messing with some spaghetti squash today. So if you've never used spaghetti squash before, I recommend going to the store, getting some, and following along with this recipe. All right, let's get this started. So the first thing you're gonna do is, I definitely did this off camera because it's a struggle bus to get this open. I should have showed you the struggle, but I know how hard it is to open for me, so we're gonna start here. But basically what I did was I used a smaller knife to kind of get down in there. And then I took my big butcher knife and I, well, away from my Stop playing with knives, Justine. I worked at too many Boy Scout camps. Okay, so in the spaghetti squash, there's seeds and it's like a pumpkin. It's like pumpkin guts. So pretend like you're a little kid and you're getting your pumpkin ready for Halloween, and scoop out all that stuff. Get all that out of there. Don't mind me, just making a mess as usual. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Clean it out as best as possible. And now we're gonna take some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna pour a capful on each side. And then I'm gonna rub this all up inside and all around.
It rubs the lotion on its skin or else it gets the hose again.
Massage that little squash. Give that squash a rub down. Rub down. That's silly. All right, make sure you get it nice and oily all over. So we're gonna season these after you oil them. Put whatever seasonings, like a salt, pepper type of situation. Okay, so after you get these all seasoned up, that wasn't a good idea. Not at all. Okay. So these are gonna go in the oven for a little while. Oh, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take a little glass bowl. I don't want to waste a lot of cheese, so I'm gonna put some cheese into this smaller bowl and season the cheese as I go, because it's gonna be like a herbed cheese. When in doubt, pinkies out. She fancy bitches. So we're gonna do good old-fashioned Italian seasoning in here. here. And we're not going to be doing...
Disgusted.
And we're not going to be doing breadcrumbs up in here. Yeah. That should be on the list for what I find. So I'm going to take a pound of ground beef. We're going to put an egg in there. Throwing all my favorites, Italian seasonings into here. Alright, we're gonna put some garlic powder up in here. Even a little bit of onion powder up in here. And now we're gonna mix that together. Oh, I was gonna do it with a spoon, but you just gotta get in there with your hands. You want to mix that together really well, but don't like over. Back to the regularly scheduled program. I moved it a little closer to show you what I'm doing. So I just got a lot of mozzarella cheese and I'm gonna shove it in here and then try to make a ball around it. I don't know if this is the good way to do it. We'll find out. We'll try it another way the next one. I'm literally just doing this. Just sounded good. We're just gonna make it up. Maybe it needs a little bit more meat back here. Brown them on the stove top, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven for a little while I make the sauce. Saucy. don't know what is stuck in my head when I keep saying that. I'm like, saucy, saucy. It's like a commercial, but I'm not even saying it how the commercial is. You know?
Hey.
What's up?
Yeah.
Just cooking.
That was good.
Right? I'm about to put it back in there.
That's gonna be bad.
Okay, this is the final product. Time for me to taste it. Okay, so it's like super cheesy. It smells really good. Oh wait, look inside that meatball. It's cheesy. Okay. Yeah, that's super delicious. You should go to the store and get all this stuff and buy it and make it right now. Go. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and a like down below.